To open a Nordea bank account, follow these steps. Choose account type. Visit the Nordea bank website to explore the different types of accounts available, such as personal checking, savings, or business accounts. Choose the account that best suits your needs. Get the required documents. Prepare the necessary documents, which typically include a valid government-issued ID, proof of address, and proof of income or employment. Visit the Nordea branch or apply online. You can either visit a local Nordea branch or apply online via the Nordea website. For online applications, navigate to the account opening section, select the desired account type, and follow the on-screen instructions. Complete application form. Fill out the application form with your personal details, contact information, and any additional information required. If applying online, you may need to upload scanned copies of your documents. Identity verification. For security purposes, Nordea will verify your identity. This might involve a video call, an in-person visit to a branch, or using an eID if available in your country. Review and submit. Review your application carefully to ensure all information is correct. Submit the application form along with the required documents. Await confirmation. After submission, Nordea will review your application. You will receive confirmation via email or phone once your account is approved. Activate your account. Upon approval, you will receive account details and instructions on how to activate your new Nordea bank account. Follow these instructions to start using your account.